are pleased to show you the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, daytime running lights, alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.